We're here at the Courtyard by Marriott in Sarasota, Florida, UTC location. We're gonna ride the elevators. This hotel has 2 wings, a 3-story wing that has OS Series 1 elevators, and a 4-story wing that has OS Series 5 elevators. Let's go. As you can see on this sign, set elevators here, set elevators there. Here's the first set. These were installed in 2002. Let's go up to 3. Here's a quick look at the hallway. We're gonna go down to 1. Here's your inspection certificate. Expiration August 2025. I'm filming this in September, so it's a little out of date. Let's ride the other elevator. Send this one up to 3. Also, something interesting I noticed, the interlock, it says the date tested is November of 1992, but these elevators weren't even installed until 10 years later. I remember the first time I came here, I thought these were installed in 1992, and I was pretty skeptical of the date. This one levels pretty quick. Does this one also say 92? It does. Interesting. Let's go down to 1. Inspection certificate also says August of 2025. Here's your cab view. Now let's go to the other set of elevators. Here they are. So these are OS Series 5, as I mentioned earlier. You got dual lanterns right here. We're gonna go 4. Whoa, it re-leveled. Hallway is over here. We're gonna go back down before the elevator leaves us. Like the other elevators, this certificate expired in 25. £2,500 capacity. Let's go ride the other one. So I found out the other elevator isn't working, so I just wanted to show you the hallway right here. We're on the 2nd floor, and I call an elevator both up and down, and this one seems to be the only one that's working. We're gonna go down to 1 just to show you. Take a look. You can see the lanterns right there. You can't really see much else. Anyway, that'll be it.